This is the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw. And I decided on this saw because I was trying to accomplish all these DIY projects, and I wanted something that was really perfect for beginners and not intimidating. The saw came mostly pre-assembled straight out of the box and came with pretty clear instructions, and it also has many safety features that made me feel more confident to use the saw on my projects. Some of these safety features include a saw dust bag, as well as a vise clamping system that helps to secure your material in place when you're doing your cutting. And it also has a locking mechanism that allows you to lock the saw down when not in use, and you just push the button in and then release it to now activate it again. It has a thumb activated lever to move the saw from 50 degrees to one side and all the way to 50 degrees the other side to adjust your cutting angles, and it can also do straight cuts. To activate the saw blade, you must push two buttons at the same time, which is another safety feature. There's a button on the bottom of the handle and the back of the handle, and you compress them both to activate the saw. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cut with the saw. First, I'm clamping down my material. Now I'm pushing both buttons at the same time to activate the blade, and then you just push down on the wood. And as you can see, it made a perfect 45-degree angle cut in my piece of wood for my project. The Metabo miter saw has been a very helpful tool for me to make my projects a reality. I have used it to frame my mirrors and also to do a board and batten wall. I also changed out the blade and was able to cut a backsplash tile. I highly recommend the saw for all DIYers and beginners.